Good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Will you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I am Patricia Yatasa. I am married and I have 3 kids. My elder is 14 years old and the second is 12 years old and the youngest is 10 years old. And I live in 46A Golden Acres 2, Las Piñas City, Philippines.
Okay, what is your religion?
I am a born-again Christian, ma'am.
Okay, tell me about your working experience.
Ma'am, I work as a domestic helper in Mr. and Mrs. Antonio Pozo since 2005 up to 2009 for almost 4 years.
What are your duties and responsibility as a domestic helper?
Ma'am, my duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper is to manage all the household chores, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of a baby.
Do you know how to taking care of a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to taking care of a newborn baby by feeding milk formula every 3 to 4 hours and burp the baby every after feeding. Change the diaper, send the baby to sleep by singing lullaby, giving vitamins, check the body temperature, and cleaning their feeding bottles.
Okay. Can you sing a simple children's song?
Yes, madam. I can sing a simple children's song like this. I have 2 hands, the left and the right, holding up high, so clean and bright. Clap them 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay, thank you. What will you do if your employer's baby crying for a long time?
I will check the diaper if it is weak, or I will check if it's hungry. But if it's still crying, then I will inform my employer that the baby is crying for a long time.
Okay. Are you willing to taking care of an elderly or an aged person?
Yes, madam. I am willing to taking care of an elderly person, even a bedridden, since I still have my grandparents, so I can taking care of the elderly like my grandparents by helping them with their needs like taking their foods and medicines.
Okay. How would you handle a naughty children?
Ma'am, I would be very friendly and playful with them, so I could get their attention. I can take care of a naughty children by playing them, singing songs with them, teaching them ABCD, reading books, telling stories, teaching them how to read, write, teaching them a good manner and right conduct, and also giving love and care.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook Filipino foods very well, like tinola, adobo, sinigang, and many other. I also know how to cook simple Chinese dishes like steamed fish, fried vegetables, fried rice, fried chicken, noodles, and soup. I am also willing to learn more.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to operate electric appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, floor polisher, oven toaster, microwave, and other.
Most of the employees speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am. I am very much interested to learn Cantonese so that I could fully understand them, especially to the elderly.
Okay, your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores and at the same time taking care of the children. So how can you handle this situation?
Yes, ma'am. I will make sure that the employer's children are in safe place by putting them into the crib or by giving them some toys to play. Then I will continue doing my works.
Okay, if in case you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes or found jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
I will give it back to my employer.
Okay, thank you. What if during your day off, then your employer asks you not to take your day because they have visitor? What will you do?
I will not take my day off and serve my employers together with their visitors.
How will you win the trust of your employer?
Ma'am, I can win my employer trust to me by doing my best to work hard and being honest, dedicated to my works, and give importance to their things and properties. and I will entrusted my passport to my employer as the way that the employer trusted to me their house and their children.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong? Why do you want?
Ma'am, I want to work in Hong Kong because of high salary given to the domestic helper. In this way, I can help and support my family to provide their needs in material and financial matters.
Would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Yes, sir and madam. If you will give me an opportunity to work as your domestic helper, I promise that I will very hard, be obedient and trustworthy, and I promise to finish my contract without causing any problem. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.